The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander appeared just over a month ago and is already attracting attention. This mid-size SUV has taken comfort to a whole new level, offering 3 rows of luxurious interior space that will make even the longest road trips feel like a breeze. But that's not all. The hybrid max powertrain produces an astounding 362 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road. Of course, if you're looking for more power for your family vehicle, there's only one option that really stands out. We're talking about the i-Force Max, a twin-turbo V6 engine and electric assembly that takes the Tundra and Sequoia to new heights. With a staggering 437 horsepower under the hood, it's a top choice for anyone looking for a 3-row SUV that's as powerful as it is comfortable. But what about those who want something a little sportier? Toyota has got you covered there too. Their GR Sport line includes popular models such as the GR Yaris, GR86, GR Corolla and GR Supra, all of which are dominated by hot hatches. And if demand dictates that a more powerful 3-row SUV is what people want, we wouldn't be surprised to see the Grand Highlander get the GR Sport badge. Want to learn more about the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander and all the other amazing vehicles in the Toyota lineup? Check out our videos and be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest news and releases.